Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change DNS server address on Windows 11 using command prompt. In case you want to change or configure DNS server to an static address, I will recommend choosing one of the following. I will provide this one addresses link in this video description. You can copy this one primary and secondary DNS address from this one video description, and to set this DNS server on your PC you need to click on this one start button, then type here cmd, right click on the command prompt and select here run as administrator option. This will open command prompt as administrator. All you need to type here ip config space slash all and then press enter. Sorry, ip config slash all and press enter on the keyboard. Here you need to find out your adapter you want to configure. In case you have more adapter, you need to note down the name of the adapter, such as in my PC it is Wi-Fi. I have noted down. After noting it down, you need to run command. This one command net sh interface IP set DNS is equal to, this one is your adapter name, you need to replace it, and then you need to replace this one from your static DNS IP address. After that press enter on the keyboard. This will set primary DNS on your Windows 11 PC, and to configure secondary DNS on your Windows 11 PC, you need to issue this one command net sh interface IP add DNS is equal to, you need to replace this one with your adapter, replace it, and then you need to replace this one with your secondary DNS server IP address. After that press enter on the keyboard, and now you can check if it has been configured or not. Again issue the command ip config space slash all and you can view these details under DNS server. I have configured primary DNS to this one and secondary to this one. Like this you can configure on your Windows 11 machine using command prompt. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.